Okay, hi, welcome to the class, dear student. Today I am going to explain one of the very important concept, that is formal charge. What is meaning of formal charge? Most of the students are very confusing and they are not at all understanding. They are neglecting this concept, formal charge. They are not at all giving the importance to this formal charge. What is mean by formal charge? It's very simple. Formal charge, it is not like a negative charge, positive charge like this. It is not like that. Not a simplest concept is. This concept when this concept arises, there are so many theories explain the types of bonds between the atoms and molecule, like that Lewis dot structure, next VBT structure, right, MOT structure, like that. There are so many theory explain the bonds, bonds forms between the atom. In that, the first theory, Kossel and Lewis theory, explain that the bond forms. Yes, right. The first theory of the Kossel and Lewis theory, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಲೆವಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, that Kossel and Lewis theory, Lewis symbol, that they explain first Lewis symbol. After that Lewis symbol, they are going to explain the bond formed between the atom. They are explaining, for example, carbon O2 molecule is formed. How this O2 molecule formed? They are explained like this. They are explained like octet rule. This is what there are six atoms and one more oxygen means one more six atom. There one more six atom. They are explained that these 8 electrons are combining and they are form the double bond. Therefore, otherwise I will explain here, because here I think headline will comes. You see here, this is what oxygen valence electron 6 and one more oxygen valence electron will be 6. This explain that this is what octet rule, and this is what Lewis symbol explain that oxygen double bond it forms, and therefore there are two alone pair of electron. Like this is what Lewis theory explain the bond formed between the atoms and molecule. ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಲೆವಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ polyatomic molecule like carbon dioxide, O3, next NO2. They are very difficult to explain the structure of the molecule. Therefore, in that time, they explain one of the concept, that point. They are explain one of the concept. That concept is called as what? Lewis charge. Sorry, formal charge. They explain the formal charge at that time. When they explain for the, they are drawing for the ಪಾಲಿಯಾಟಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವರು ಪಾಲಿಯಾಟಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೀಗ? therefore this Kossel Lewis theory, the Lewis theory was fails to explain the structure of a polyatomic molecule. Therefore, this formal charge concept will be explain the polyatomic molecule somewhat better than that of Lewis theory. How? What is this formal charge? Formal charge is nodri, formal charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತರಲ್ಲ. Formal charge is a charge carried by a total whole molecule in the individual atom. For example, this O3 carries what is the charge between the atoms and molecules in the bond formation. How this bond formation? Like this, we are telling O3 molecules. This is the O3 molecule. This is one is covalent coordinate bond, and there will be 2 double bond. Therefore, this is what O3 molecule. We know that. But how this bond formed? What is the charge between the charge present between the each atoms in the molecule? The charge carried by the each atoms in the molecule, that explain. Based on this charge, they explain the structure of the molecule. Therefore, this formal charge helps for the to identify the structure of the molecule. Therefore, we are following the formal charge concept. Therefore, now we are able to, after that we are going to able to define the formal charge. This is what a definition of this formal charge. What is mean by formal charge? It's very simple here. A formal charge means the difference between the number of valence electron of the atom. The difference between the number of valence electron of that atoms in an isolated or free state, the number of electron assigned to that of atom in the Lewis structure. It's very simple, dear students. You have to mark this one, but I will give one shortcut for how to find the formal charge of the compound just now. You see here, once again see here, it is the Lewis. What is mean by formal charge? The formal charge means the difference between the number of valence electron, the difference between the number of valence electron of the atoms in an isolated free state, or the number of and the number of electron assigned to the atom in the Lewis structure. It's very simple. You know, O2 molecule. This is what O3 molecule ಐತಿ. ಈ O3 molecule ದಾಗ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, the difference between the number of valence electron. For example, this is also some valence electron, this is also some valence electron, this is also some valence electron. Oxygen, all oxygen also valence electron, right? What is mean? The difference between the number of valence electron. For example, if these two were calculating about these two. For example, we are calculating formal charge between these two. The difference between the number of valence electron and of the atoms in the isolated state means we are going to calculate first formal charge of this oxygen atom, not whole O3 molecule. Next, isolated atom or free state, the number of electron assigned to the atoms in the Lewis structure. ಈ ಲೆವಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಾಟ್ ಅದಾವು, ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅದಾವು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದಾವು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನೌ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ how to calculate the formal charge with very shortcut, and it is very easy to remember the concept also. How to calculate the formal charge? You see here, I will give one formula. What is mean? How to calculate formal charge? Formal charge. The formal charge is calculated by equal to valence electron minus bonds plus dots. You have to remember this concept, dear students. It's very simple. I will give you formal charge equal to valence electron minus bonds plus dots. It's a formula. I will give how to calculate the valency of the formal charge upon any atom. Very simple. Once again, is here formal charge calculation equal to valence electron minus bonds plus dots. Bond plus, what is mean by dots, what is mean by bond, I will discuss right now. Okay, we have to discuss this formal charge with some example. What is that? I will go for first carbon dioxide, O3, next NO2, next SiO2, N2. There are so many examples, dear students. Why I am discussing this concept? This question asked sometimes 2 marks or 3 marks in your examination. That's why I am discussing this point. And also most of the students are skipping this formal charge concept. That's why I made it very easy. I make it very easy. The formal charge equal to valence electron minus bond plus dots. That's important. In your NCERT, in your CBSE books, they are given very difficult. Half minus something else. It is not like you go for some this formula. It's very easily you are going to get the answer. Okay. Now formal charge calculation. They are asking in your examination, calculate the formal charge. Define formal charge and calculate the formal charge on the CO2 molecule. They are giving like this. Okay, how to calculate the formal charge? Now first we have to write the structure. How to write the structure? It is very important. First, carbon is central atom. Carbon is a central atom. Carbon has valence electron, 4 valence electron. 4 valence electron. Next, to go for the one more oxygen. Well, oxygen valence electron is how much? 6 valence electron. Again, oxygen having valence electron will be 6. Each oxygen having valence electron will be 6, dear student. Next, you see here, we know that Lewis structure explained that the number of electrons shared is equal to number of bond formed. Here 2 electrons are shared and it forms double bond. 2 electrons is shared and bond. And here these 2 electrons are at a time they are sharing and to form one single bond, that is called as covalent coordinate bond. Yes, here carbon 2 bond ಕೂಡಿ 2 electron ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 electronಗಳು ಈ 2 electronಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದೇ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 2 electron ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ electron, therefore it is called as covalent coordinate bond. Now we are going to calculate the valence electron. Here two oxygens are there. Therefore, for the sake of confusion, we are getting sometime confusion. That's why I will give for this one as a name A, and this is oxygen for B. This is A oxygen and this is for B oxygen. How to calculate the formal charge in all the atoms in the carbon dioxide? First one, a formal charge. Formal charge of carbon. Formal charge of the carbon. What is that formula? Valency electron minus bonds plus dots. What I given, right? Formula. You see here the formal charge. Valency electron of carbon is how much? 4. We know very well. Next, formal charge 4 minus bonds. How many bonds around the carbon here? You see here there are 3 carbon, there are 3 bonds. There are 3 bonds. Plus, is there any dots? Is there any like this dots? Dots means valence electron is there here? No, therefore it is 0. Therefore 4 minus 3 it gives us to plus 1. Therefore plus 1. Next one, we are going for the formal charge on the oxygen A. 8th oxygen. This one A oxygen. This is what? Valence electron. Same formula. Valence electron minus bonds plus dots. What is the valence electron of oxygen? We know that oxygen valence electron will be 6 minus bonds. How many bonds in this around this oxygen? 2 bonds. How many dots left here? You see here 2 and this is 4. Therefore 4 atom. 4 dots. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Don't take as a one pair equal to 1 dots. There are 4 dots totally. Already 2 electrons are involved in the bond formation. Therefore 4 bonds are left. Therefore 6 minus 6 it gives us to 0. Next go for the formal charge on the B. The formal charge on the Bth oxygen. Therefore it gives us to valence electron again same this 6 minus bonds. How many bond? Only 1 bond. Covalent coordinate bond. And valence electron, there are total 6 valence electron. They are not involved in the bond formation. Therefore there are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. It gives us to minus 1. Therefore a total in this, it is having the formal charge on this will be 0, and this on the plus 1 and this on the minus 1. This is what a formal charge calculation. For a student, they are asking 2 marks. It is very easy to get the calculation. You only see here formal charge on carbon, oxygen A, oxygen B. Nodri, ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅದಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಐತಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಐತಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಲೆವಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ polyatomic molecule. Therefore this formal charge concept helps for the explaining the polyatomic structure of the polyatomic molecule. Okay, we have to go for one more O3. O3 how to get the calculation? Nodri chemistry andre ನೀವು practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Go for take some exercise and you only practice. O3, what is the O3 structure? First, O3 means there are 3 oxygen atoms are there. There are 3 oxygen atoms are there. Each oxygen having a valence electron, 6 valence electron, 6 valence electrons. Alright, these 2 electrons come take and it forms double bond, and these 2 electrons takes to form one covalent coordinate bond. Simple. For the sake of confusing of this oxygen, I will take this an 8th oxygen, this is B oxygen, and it is C oxygen. How to calculate the formal charge on the compound, any of the molecule? First one, formal charge. Formal charge on the 8th oxygen equal to, what is the formula? I will write once again formula. Valence electron minus bonds plus dots. Bonds plus dots. First one, 8th oxygen. Formal charge equal to, valence electron of oxygen will be 6. We know very well. Any oxygen take formal valence electron will be 6 minus bonds. This 8th oxygen, how many bonds are around this oxygen? 2 bonds. 2 bonds. How many dots are there? Total 4 bonds are there. Therefore 6 minus 6 equal to 0. There are 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 0. Next, formal charge on the bth oxygen. Formal charge on this bth oxygen. Valence electron of this oxygen, again oxygen here. Valence electron will be 6 minus bonds. How many bonds? There are 2 and this one is 3. 3 bonds. How many dots? There are 2 bonds. There are 2 dots. Therefore 2 dots. 6, 3 plus 2, 5. 6 means it is gives us to plus 1. Next again formal charge on the OC means Cth oxygen. Therefore valence electron of oxygen 6. Number of bonds only 1 bonds. How many dots are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore 6. It gives us to minus 1. Therefore this is what 0, plus 1 and minus 1. Therefore this is what this oxygen carries 0 and this is plus 1 and this is minus 1. This is what formal charge calculation, dear students. It's very easy now. Okay, we'll go for the one more example, then you have to practice other two. Okay, I will take, you have to practice these two. I will go for this next one, NO2 molecule. What is this? NO2 molecule. I will take NO2. What is the structure of this NO2? That is very important. NO2 means nitrogen is central. Here 1, there are 2 valence electrons here. The total 5 oxygen. There are total 6 oxygen. These 2 electron takes one covalent coordinate bond and this is double bond. Okay, it's so simple. The structure of this NO2. How to calculate the formal charge? Formal charge, first I will go for the naming. A, there are 2 oxygen, that's why it is A and B, Ath oxygen and Bth oxygen. The formal charge on the nitrogen, first I will calculate, is equal to valence electron minus bonds plus dots. Formula, the valence electron of nitrogen is 5 minus bond around this is 3 plus 1. It gives it to 1 dot is the left here. You see nitrogen 5 electron, there are 2 electron bonds formation, double bond, and it is one covalent coordinate. Therefore 2, 4 means 5 means it is plus 1. Next, formal charge on the 8th oxygen is equal to valence electron of the first oxygen 6 minus bond means there are 2 bonds, there are 4 dots are there, we are on this, therefore it gives us to 0. Next, formal charge on the Bth oxygen is equal to valence electron 6 minus 1 bond plus 6 dots, it gives us to minus 1. Therefore, the students see here, this is formal charge 0 and this is plus 1 and this is minus 1. In this way, the formal charge calculation is there. It is very simple right now. Okay, if you like my videos and my classes, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.